Hey guys, today I am talking about how to connect a new domain on your web hosting. Recently I buy a new domain, so if I visit here the domain, you need to click manage. Sorry, I need to connect. I think you face a problem when you buy a new domain, so that's why I create this video. Then click to manage here the page, so you need to just click on here, then click on Namecheap web hosting DNS, then just click on OK. You will see here the pop-up DNS server update may take up to 48 hours, so you need to wait 2 days or 3 days. So now it's okay. Now I install a WordPress this domain. So now I am going to cPanel. Then search on WordPress. Then click on install. Here the WordPress install pages, so you need to click here. You can find, so here you can see here my domain is not here. So how to add here your new domain? So you need to go there and you need to go. I just go my file manager, then type on here add-ons, then typing here your domain name. So my domain name is automatically created. So you need to type here where you want to install your website. So you need to just select directory, then create slash. It's okay. So then click on add new domain. It perfectly working, maybe 24 hours or 3 or 2 days. You have to wait 2 or 3 days. So here the successfully my domain is created. So I don't know, I think it's not working now. So you need to go dashboard, then type here WordPress. Now I am installing my WordPress on my new domain. So I just click on install here the domain. So now I just I don't have SL certificate, so I will buy it later. I just click on HTTP. Here the your blog, site name, site description. Here you type your password name, or I just typing here admin. I just typing here 1 2 3. I just generate a password. I will change it later. So I just copy and have the password. So you need to have your email address. You will find Namecheap will send you your how to log in your admin page URL. Namecheap will send you your account. So otherwise I just install it, take a time. you'll see they are showing me chat box override the file. So I already installed this, so that's why I need to go my so I just go to this folder. I already installed it, so I will showing you how to install. So that's why I just remove this file. I need to just public HTML, add the file. I need to just delete all. Delete it. Now you just reload, then same, just copy this password, put here your admin email. Here you go. Just select overwrite. Now it's successfully installed WordPress. So I already installed WordPress on my server before, so that's why it's not working. It will be working maybe 2 or 3 days. So I think you can install WordPress easy way to your web host or new domain. So thanks for watching this video. If you're new on my channel, please subscribe now and get on the bell icon, so that if I upload any new video, you will get a notification from me. Thank you so much.